ऑलराइट, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज क्या हो सकता है मार्केट में। मैं थोड़ा सा अभी मेरा हेल्थ गड़बड़ हो रहा था, इस वजह से मैं ऑनलाइन आ नहीं रहा था। तो क्या हो सकता है आज के मार्केट में, देखते हैं। एक मिनट, मैं मेरा देख लेता हूँ, चेक कर लेता हूँ आप मेरा साउंड क्लियर आ रहा है या नहीं। ओके, सो परफेक्ट। ऑलराइट, तो साउंड तो क्लियर है, दैट्स फाइन नाउ। ओके, सो let's start now. So basically what is happening in the market, as you can see here, right? Market is almost 3900. The gold is almost on the all time high, near to the all time high, right? And now you see here, so let's draw market structure today. Okay, so let's start to drawing the market structure, how market can move now, or what is the market structure we can define. So as earlier videos also we have explained, right? I mean I explained already, market structure is something like this. Okay, the pullback and the other, right? So we can say this is pulse wave and the pullback wave. So this is the pulse wave, we can say, and this is the pullback. Okay, so whenever market structure is making, we can see here clearly, right? It's a higher low, it's a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low, right? So market, we can see here the market is in uptrend and forming higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so whenever it's making higher highs, higher lows, so whenever the break of structure happening, so this is the break of structure, right? This was the previous high. Whenever the previous high break, okay, that is called break of structure, and market is coming up here, okay, and then trying to retrace it here. Now there are two cases. Okay, before two cases, let me mark it down this one. So whatever the previous high and then the pullback, okay, this is called the key level, the main key level. Okay, so that means if market has to come down, if market wanted to come down, right, that means market has to break this. Once as long as market is breaking this low, we can say market is in downtrend now. Okay, I mean we can say if market is we cannot say directly like market is in downtrend, but yes, of course we need a confirmation for that also. For an example, if market is coming down here, maybe it can retrace to up again, right? So this will be the deep correction for this particular wave, okay, and then it can go further. But let us say if it is breaking, market is breaking this low and doing the break of structure here, let us say break of structure here, assume this is doing the break of structure here. So 1 minute. So let us say not this one. Okay, let us say if market is doing something like this, if market is coming down, okay, and breaking this low, this is our key level. Okay, so as per higher highs, higher lows, I mean as per, we can say this is our uptrend, correct, higher highs, higher lows. So, as per this is the key level, or we can say this is the strongest, this is the strong lows. So, okay, in uptrend market, highs are weaker and lows are very strong. That is why it is breaking highs always and then moving further up. Okay. So, now we can say this is a strong low. Strong low means this is the key level, right. So, market can come up here, market can come down until this particular level and then can go up further, correct, right, because market does not, as of now market has not given any pullback as of now, okay, up to the key level. So, we can expect market can come down here, okay. If this is the, if this key level or this we can say this support zone is not strong enough, okay, then that will be broken, that will be broken by the market and then it will come to the next key level, okay. If this is also, let us say if this is also not strong, then market can come up to here or here, we do not know, right. We only predict, we only based on the probability we can say this is the key level. If market is respecting to this, yes, this will be strong. If market is not breaking this, I mean this is the strong. If market is breaking this, then that means it is not a strong key level, okay. So, now we can assume market is coming down here and then since this is we are assuming this is the strongest key level, then we can expect a further movement to the upside. So, for an example, we will place our trade here, we will take, this will be our target and this will be our stop loss. Currently we do not have any here stop loss, okay, or only this trade only applicable when the market is coming down, then retesting, then taking, and then it is forming some candlestick patterns for the bullish movement, okay, like a reversal from this level. So, if this is, if then this one fulfill our conditions, fulfill our requirement, then we will go for the long trade, otherwise we will wait for that. See, currently market is here, right, between these two zones, right, I mean higher current high and the previous low, okay, let us say this one, right, or whatever, I mean I am just little bit confused because this one, okay, yeah, until here only, okay. So, market, so this low, so market currently market is in these two. So, basically whenever market between break of structure low and high, that is the range, we cannot trade, we should not trade. Since this is 4 hours time frame chart, so we can break it down into the smaller time frame, okay. As you see here, market is going down very fast, right, and in the 1 hour chart, yes, we can expect there is some, you know, some small support is here, we can plan for from here as well. If market is sustaining over here and then moving back to again on the top, otherwise it can come down until here or break, it can break. So, as of now we can assume, okay, market will come up here because this one, let me check even any order block is there or not, okay. So, I do not think so, any order block, this one only and this one, no, even no order block, Okay, this one is very small, but okay, so this one we can expect as a order block, but this already mitigated, right. So, this order block, even if we think okay this is order block in 1 hour, it is already mitigated. It came down here, touch, cross that, then came down and then moved up. So, this already mitigated. So, no. So, now here nothing, I mean this and this already, no fair value gap, no order block. Now, here market is trying to create order block. If you see here this one, now I am just removing this drawing. Okay. So, market 1, 2, 3, you see this is the big candle in 1 hour. So, that means now today market is planning to go down and the sellers are in strong position, and then this is just a pullback or they are booking the profit, and again it can turn, it can convert to, again it will come down, and I am expecting it should come down until this level like 3,720 or $100, not now, not today even, but later I am thinking it should come here. Okay, so now we move to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see. So, in 15-minute time frame, yes, market came down, okay, and big candles are here, then pull back, and it is creating a very nice price action, okay, price action, and then it is coming down, then this one, and we can expect this movement here. Okay. So, the market structure in 15-minute, it is a bearish, we can say, correct. So, this should be the, okay, but let us see, we cannot go directly jump here, because here if you see this came down, okay, then it reversed, and it is small, and this is substructure, right, and the market substructure is making bullish, I mean on the upside. So, we can expect some bullish movement, but mostly it will come until here. If you see here, this is the fair value gap, and this will be the our order block. Okay, so let us say I will mark it the order block for an example in the 15-minute chart. This is the order block, and if this is the order block, then we can expect market to move up to here and then continue here down. Okay, because market cannot go up, market cannot go up continuously. Okay, so now what we can do, how we can trade this one. So, we will plan, okay, market to come up here, and then we will take a trade either at least this level. Okay, if it is hitting a stop loss, that is okay. If it is giving profit, that is okay. Okay. So, now let us move to the 3-minute chart. What we can do, is there anything, or let us say we will move it here, or in 1 minute. You see here in 1 minute it is in range itself, I mean this is the range, this is the resistance, second time it came, and we can expect down movement. So, in 1 minute also, now we can take not this one, because it will come, it will surely cross this one to hunt the SL and then come back, this is sure. And in 1 minute it is going up, and here sideways. Now this should come down. So like up, then sideways, I mean sideways in the sense it's a consolidation and then come down. So here also I will plan to take down position, let's say this one, and this will be my SL. Okay. So let's wait now. So we defined our trades, right? So we will enter here, we can enter here or we can enter here. Let's say we can enter here. After this, if this candle is closed before, I mean not here, sorry, this one, yes, okay. So when, as long as it is breaking this level, we will take entry in the short trade. Okay. So this will be the all right. So I think so we need to wait. Okay. So as long as market is coming up to here, 1 minute. Yes. So the trade is, I think we can open one trade here. Okay, for bottom, for short trade, not for the up. Okay. So even let me also write order. I mean, let me put my order. Gold, what is this one? 3817. So I'll also mark pending order 3817. Okay, 17, and I will take small quantity, I will take, okay, not big one, 0.5 only. I added my order. Okay, take profit will be 3796. Okay, so 3796, let's say I kept the 3795 or 96 something, so $1000 profit, and corresponding our SL 3821. Okay, so the SL will be 3821. 0.21 $400 loss. Okay, so let's see, let's wait what will happen, whether this trade executes or not, or this will give us profit or not. Okay, so now our trade is started, it executed now. Okay, as you can see, so let's see what will happen now. So $60, $65. You can see this here, right? So you can see here, this is our trade. Okay, we entered here somewhere and we will book it, even not here, I mean it will be here somewhere. So let's see, we have to wait. Okay, if we don't wait, we will not get anything. So we have to wait, market will surely come down. So mostly I trade in gold. Okay, sometimes I trade in Bitcoin and all, but mostly my focus always on gold. So that's why I'm just giving gold only. I mean, whatever the gold is there, I'm doing analysis for gold, Bitcoin sometimes, but just gold is one of the best, you know. You can make lot. So whenever gold is in sideways, okay, then only I go for other like Bitcoin, and I try to find other alternatives, Bitcoin and Ethereum or something else. So in the 15-minute time frame, if you see here, this is going upside, we can expect up movement in 5 minute, in 15 minute, yes, 15 minute also, but this is the one candle. So or we can do small, we can take a small profit instead of big profit. But if you see here in 15 minute, right, the major see this is the major, our major, what we can say, this is major trend is up bullish. Okay, in the shorter time we can say the sub trend it's down movement. Okay, sub trend is in down, so that means market is coming here until here, then pull back, then it can continue to here, or it can this one it can continue until here. It will, maybe it can grab the liquidity from this place and then shoot up again, and then again it will grab the liquidity from this particular level from here and then again come down. So maybe this will do, this will happen. Let's see. We have a loss of just $200 because last time we already booked some profit, I think $172, so that's okay. So $200, that means only our profit, entire profit, $172 profit plus this one. However, we need to take very small trade because I just took 0.5 lot, but this is also too big for this small capital, right? So I mean $400, that means around 8, how many? 17 to 21, sorry, $200 loss, not for 400. $200 loss, that means 4 points, right? So yes, it is going good. You can see my screen, right? You can just monitor it even because there is nothing else to be done here, right, except waiting, except wait for the trade, or whenever we entered into the trade, then we need to wait either target or SL, either target or SL. So I think so actually guys, I started the series, so maybe I'm not sure what is the issue here. Okay, what is the issue whenever I'm coming online or whenever I'm doing live streaming. I don't know whether this is live stream is visible to all of you, all of the people or not, or anyone. I'm not sure. So I found there is no one joining on my live streaming at all. I don't know why. Whether you guys are not able to see that or what. So I think this trade is going good, just waiting for that. So now I think how much, around $63 profit. Okay, it is going up and down, down up. Now it is $83 profit, it is showing. So let's see what will happen here. Okay, so now it is turning into negative again, but let's see, let's wait. Either it will hit our SL or it will go into the profit. And that's fine for us. So as we discussed right earlier, we'll take only 1 or 2 trades per day. Okay, whatever, either it's profit or loss. So we need to restrict our rules. Okay, we need to follow our rules. So whenever we follow our rules, oh sorry, maybe my camera is not too. Okay, 1 minute, let me check whether now it is working. Yes. So we need to follow the rules. So whatever the rules we set, we need to follow that. So if market is not giving us profit, that is also, we don't fight with the market. If market is giving profit, that is absolutely fine for us. I mean, if we are in loss, then we will close the trades in loss. We will not go for over trading. Okay, so the over trading, this is a small word, but trust me, this is the one of the biggest problem to becoming a trader. Okay, so whenever any person who wanted to become a trader, this is the first thing he has to understand, he has to fix it. I mean, that is the over trading. And over trading, you know, this is directly linked with the psychology. So whenever you have whenever you are in loss, then you think, okay, no, how come market is giving me loss? Market is going into my favor, but I'm not able to book profit on the time. So what we used to do, or retailers used to do, they just create they just open the trades with the high quantity, high position sizes, and then they try to, okay, we will grab some points, and market knows very well. Okay. So the big players knows this very thing very well. So and then they just okay, what we can say, they just okay, just give you some, okay, hope, okay, market will go this direction, and enter into the trade, or breakout happened, or breakdown happened. They just make you feel like that, and then as long as you entered into the trade, and then they will hit your SL big with big wicks, and then you lose. For example, here you see, I will explain this one. So for example, see, this was the, I mean, as per this place is the support place. Okay. So what market has done? So market here first it came here, it was started, slowly it was showing the rejection, okay, from the support. So that means people, okay, retailers will think, okay, now because this is on the support zone, then yes, it can go up further, market. Okay. Here some people already, so some people like retailers, they are very aggressive, or they are new, pretty new, we can say. They entered on this level somewhere, and they put their stop loss here below this. Okay. So what they have done, market, so the big players played the game. Okay, they played the game, and then they took it until here, market. Okay, and then take it out, take it up. Okay. So what happened on whoever is entered somewhere on early entry. Okay, early entries by the retailers, they trapped and they hit the SL. Now what? Somebody was thinking, okay, now this is going up, so then if we go in the 5 minute, you see here, in 5 minute, big candle. Okay, so this is bullish engulfing, or bullish harami, we can say, this is bullish harami, and people entered over here. Okay. So here they entry, again retailer entered for the long trade, and then market went up, and then 3 to 4 candles it was waiting, and then they were thinking, okay, now market is retesting like this. Okay, and then it will shoot up, and so that it happened oppositely, market immediately sharp fall down to the lowest level, and whoever entered somewhere here, the stop loss was here, right. So the stop loss was here, they closed the trade, and then okay, it was slowly they are taking up. Now they are making the base here. So here again the liquidity got generated on this place. So hope maybe market again might come until this level. Okay, or this is 5 minute, right. So a market can up to this level. Okay, this will break to this level, and then I mean, even as per me, this can come down until here. Okay, because market cannot go again on the same direction, market cannot go same direction for longer time, since long time it is going up. So it has to come down here, either it will come down here, or then it will become sideways like this until here. Okay. So guys, I think that's it. So let me close this stream now. Okay. So what I will do, I will close this stream. I think it is almost 40 minutes. Yes, good. So let's close this one stream now, and meantime what I will do, I will open this recording on, okay, and then I will publish it and I will explain what is the result for our this trade, okay. Whatever the result is there, I will post it. So please guys, subscribe my channel so that you will not miss anything from my side, whatever, if I am publishing any video shorts or live if I am coming live also, so you will not miss anything, okay, that will be good. Alright guys, thank you so much, have a lovely day, bye bye.